Here is a comparison on Debian 13 and Linux Mint. Debian 13 is actually a status or installer that you can install on any website. On the other hand, Linux Mint is the recent version of friendly operating system, and you can install it on your computer as fast as you can. It also has a graphic design and productivity options that can help you. It is very easy to download, unlike the Debian Trixie. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. Let's start for the philosophy and base. Debian 13 has a foundational parent or a free software, while Linux Mint is a desktop-focused OS based on Ubuntu LTS. On software and updates, Debian 13 extremely stable with highly tested but often older package, while Linux Mint excellent balance of stability and modern software. For target user and use case, Debian 13 has advanced user system administrators while Linux Mint is for beginners. So if you're already a professional, Debian 13 is the right one for you. But if you're still a beginner on graphic design and installers, Linux Mint is also a good one for you.